Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we will be talking about the Oxy-Haemoglobin dissociation curve. That means in this video we will be totally focusing on how much oxygen is attached or is binding or is bound to hemoglobin when the partial pressure is less and when the partial pressure is more. In the previous videos guys, you must have seen the partial pressure of oxygen, how it has to be more or less in order to enter or exit the respiratory system. But in this video we will totally be focusing on what is the total amount of dissociation curve that you need to study for considering the amount that oxygen and hemoglobin are always bound together. The first and the main reasoning is that we will show that this is a curve, this is a S-shaped sigmoid, you can see, and this is representing the percentage of the saturation of hemoglobin, that how much percentage of hemoglobin is saturated, and this is the partial pressure of oxygen, that is the total pressure of oxygen with which it is saturated. So if the partial pressure of oxygen is 100, that means at that point of time the percentage of saturation of hemoglobin is also 100. That means how to determine the oxygen that binds to, if the partial pressure of oxygen is more, if the partial pressure of oxygen is more, then that means more oxygen is combining with hemoglobin. So basically this is a dissociation curve which represents the curve which is being formed by the dissociation of hemoglobin and oxygen. And it says that when the partial pressure of oxygen is full, then that means the major amount of hemoglobin has to be combined at that point of time. And it never happens that all the hemoglobin, the entire hemoglobin which is present inside your body, is attached or is bound to carbon dioxide. It can never happen that the total amount of hemoglobin which is present inside your body is totally bound to hemoglobin. Yes, 100% of oxygen, if it is present inside your body, it is totally bound to hemoglobin because oxygen is our need. But if the carbon dioxide binds, I don't think it will be in your favor, right? So in this curve you can also see that fully saturated, it is fully saturated at 100 and cannot carry any other combining gas. Why? Because it is fully saturated at 100. अगर 100 पे पूरा saturated है, that means the entire hemoglobin which is present inside your body is used up, and due to its usage no other gas can combine with it, right? Now there are various factors which are also affecting this oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve. Various factors includes the pH, temperature, fetal hemoglobin, bisphosphoglycerate, and this shows that this dissociation curve can shift in the right or in the left direction on the basis of how much of oxygen is being dissociated. That means if less amount of oxygen is retained, if less amount of oxygen is combined with hemoglobin, that means the curve will shift on to the right side, and if large amount or more amount is attached to the oxygen, that means it will shift to the left side. So this will be discussing in the next video guys, the factors which are affecting the oxy-hemoglobin dissociation curve. So I hope you guys have understood what is the meaning of the dissociation curve here and how much that means. The major amount of oxygen, जितना partial pressure oxygen का ज़्यादा होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा hemoglobin से वो combine करेगा. So I hope this video is very clear because it is very simple. And like the video guys, click the subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video.